Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video, we'll be discussing the practical problems of mean deviation individual series. Okay, so I've already covered the theoretical portion of mean deviation. If you haven't checked that out, please do check that out so that you can have a better understanding about what is mean deviation. I'll leave the link in the description box as well as in the iCard above. Okay. So today we'll discuss what are the formulas for mean deviation. So for mean deviation, individual series, how to calculate mean deviation for individual series, you have the formula mean deviation equal to summation absolute value of x minus a whole divided by n. Now absolute value means, see, whenever we are putting these two symbols, that means we are ignoring the negative signs. Okay, if a value is coming as minus 5, then we will take that absolute value means we'll take the value only as 5. We are ignoring the negative sign. Please keep that in mind while solving the problems. Sorry. And A is mean or median or mode. Okay, that we will have to calculate from the problem. Now, in case of discrete or continuous series, how we have to calculate mean deviation is summation f into absolute value of x minus a whole divided by n. F is the frequency and x is the midpoint of the corresponding class. Now one more thing we can calculate here, that is coefficient of mean deviation. So how to calculate coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation divided by a, and a is here either mean, median or mode, whatever average that we are calculating from the problem. Okay, so without much further ado, let's move on to today's problem. Yeah. So we have to calculate. I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, please mention in the comment section so that I can improve the video quality of this. Sorry. Calculate mean deviation of 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, 16. Okay. So here I have already written the formula of mean deviation. That is mean deviation is equal to more absolute value of x minus a divided by n. So what is the first thing we have to calculate here? First thing we have to calculate here is a, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to take these values and we are going to calculate a using mean. So we all know how to calculate mean for individual series. So a is 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 and whole divided by n, here number of values. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8. So that is 72 by 8. We are getting the value of a as 9. Okay. So I hope it is clear how to calculate a. We are calculating it using mean here. Okay. Now next what we have to do is we have to find out x absolute value of x minus a, because mean deviation formula is summation of absolute value of x minus a divided by n. So first I'll rewrite the question, no problem. It will be visible to you. X 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15 and 16. Now next what we have to find out? We have to find out x minus a, and I'm directly doing the absolute value. Okay, that means I'm directly ignoring the negative signs. Either, in order to avoid confusion, what you can do is first find out x minus a with negative values and then you can ignore it. Okay, but I'm here directly substituting it in the formula. Now we know a is 9, right? We have got it here. Right, a, this is a. So 3 minus 9, we are getting 6. 6 minus 9 is 3. Again 6 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 9, I'm ignoring the negative values. 2, 8 minus 9, 1, 11 minus 9, 2, 15 minus 9, 6, and 16 minus 9, 7. Okay. Now we have to find, see, these are the absolute value and we have to find the total of this absolute value. Okay. So if we add all this, we are getting the answer as 30. Okay. So mean deviation formula is summation of x minus a, absolute value of x minus a divided by n. So here we know that the summation of absolute value of x minus a is 30. So we are just substituting the value here. 30 divided by n here is 8. So we are getting the answer of mean deviation as 3.75. So I hope it is clear, because this is very simple. We are calculating mean deviation of individual series. Here it is summation is there. For individual series, mean deviation is summation of absolute value of x minus a. So first we have to calculate a. So here we are calculating mean. So we are adding this value and we are dividing it by 8 and we are getting the value here as 9. Okay. So we are simply subtracting x minus a and we are ignoring the negative signs, substituting it in the formula, and we are getting the answer. Okay. So I think next we'll move on to the next problem. So calculate mean deviation by using median. See, this is also individual series. So the formula will remain the same. Mean deviation is summation of x minus a divided by n. So the formula will remain the same. But here by a, how we have to calculate it? Using median. So this also I have covered in my previous video. If you haven't checked that out, please do check it out. Okay, how to calculate median of individual series. Now first what we will do is that we will arrange these values in ascending order. Okay, so that will be easy to calculate median. So 24, then you have 25, 28, 29, 33, 35 and 36. So these are the values. Okay. Now you know how to calculate median for individual series. Median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth item. Okay. So here capital N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. We are substituting the value n plus 1 whole divided by item. So that is 8 by tooth item. That is equal to 4th item. Okay, so here we have arranged it in ascending order. 4th item is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your median. So median, that is here A, is equal to 29. Okay. I hope it is clear. Next, what we have to do? We have to simply substitute the value. So x I am rewriting again. Okay, so don't worry. 24, 28, 29, 33, 36, 35, 25. Now we have to calculate absolute value of x minus a. A we know is 29. Absolute value means we are ignoring the negative value. So 24 minus 29, 5. Ignoring the negative value. 28 minus 29, 1. 29 minus 29, 0. 33 minus 29, 4. 36 minus 29, 7. 35 minus 29, 6. And 25 minus 29, ignoring the negative sign, it is 4. Now we have to total it. So it is 27. We are getting the answer as 27. Okay. So this is summation of absolute value of x minus a. Now we just have to substitute it in the formula. See here, the formula is summation of x minus a divided by 9. So we have got the answer as summation as 27. So mean deviation is equal to 27 divided by n, we know it is 7. So divided by 7, you are getting the answer as 3.86. Okay. So I hope it is clear. With that, I am winding up the video. Also here, if you want to calculate one more thing, that is coefficient of mean deviation. If you want to calculate that, it is very simple. Mean deviation divided by A. So here mean deviation is 3.86 and A is 29. So 0.13. This is calculating mean deviation using median. Okay. So I hope it is clear. These are very simple. You just have to find the values and you have to substitute it in the formula. So we'll be discussing more mean deviation problems in the upcoming videos. If you want me to solve any other problem, please let me know in the comment section below. And also please do support my channel by subscribing to it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.